Am I gonna give? 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 Am I gonna? We're no strangers to love. You know.
Wouldn't it be nice if we were older, then we wouldn't have to wait so long? And wouldn't it be nice to live together?
If I could save time in a bottle, the first thing
I'm on the battlefield like, oh my God, oh la la. Knocking soldiers down like house of cards, oh la la. I'm a one-woman army, oh la la. Yes, I'm a one-woman army, oh la la, oh la la, oh la la.
Hold up, hey, for my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't play.
I'm too sexy for my shirt, too sexy for my shirt, so
Excellent. Not surprise, but sex.
On here, is he giving him reverse CPR? Oh shit! Oh, he's a fish out of water. Alright, I understand. Oh, two fish out of water. It's the fish out of water move. How could I be so naive?
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Hell to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no, no. Hell no, no, to the no, no. Hell to the no, no.
Can't be touched, can't be stopped, can't be moved, can't be rocked, can't be shook. We hot. When will you niggas learn? Came to get crunk, came to bring life, came to get started, came.
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.
We're all going on a summer holiday.